Small animals like this squirrel may be good at finding food, but they're not good at sensing the dangers they face inside MidAmerican Energy's high-voltage electric substations. Animal experts say even though fences help protect the public and our equipment, there are several reasons why these facilities attract wildlife.
One would be curiosity. They just are coming around there to check out that object there. Number two would be they're checking it out for shelter, and number three, they're looking around in those substations for any kind of food.
Watch what happens in Knoxville, Tennessee when a raccoon sneaks into this substation. In just a flash, the deadly animal encounter results in more than 40,000 customers losing power, and it damages the facility's equipment.
They get in there and step on the wrong thing, or walk across the wrong thing, and they can cause a lot of damage.
So MidAmerican Energy is installing these green custom molded protective covers on certain exposed components at a growing number of our substations.
It helps mitigate and reduce the areas where the animals can stand on or walk across, limit their exposure, their ground exposure, reduce that metal contact.
We've been adding the devices through a company initiative called Safety Through Asset Reliability, or STAR. These safeguards protect both circuits and creatures by reducing animal contacts. That helps make our system more reliable. These custom covers should be a cost-effective way to help reduce expensive and inconvenient animal-caused outages. That's good news for both customers and critters alike. I'm Jeff Greenwood with this MidAmerican Energy Source.